So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find backward intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. And now you're going to click on stop, which will now change the service status to stopped. And then click on OK. Now you're going to click on W on your keyboard. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Double click on it. And then do the same thing. Click on stop, which will then make the service status stopped. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then once we're here, you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. Now you're going to scroll down till you find software distribution. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. And then click on download. You want to delete everything in this folder. So you're going to do Ctrl A on your keyboard. And then click on delete. If you get this, you're going to click on Use for current items, and then continue. You want to delete everything in this folder. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find backward intelligent transfer service. You're going to double click on it, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on W on your keyboard, scroll down till you find Windows Update, double click on it. Click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK again. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. You're going to wait for the scan to be fully completed on 100%. Once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.